Hello guys, it's Marvin here. Today I'm going to play Five Nights at Freddy's 3. Okay. Yes, there we go. Okay, so basically Scott uploaded this like some sort of beta. Let's play it. And it's a troll. There is no pause button. Oh god. They named it There is no Freddy button. Dad. It's too loud. There we go. Good, yes. Yeah. Yes. Oh my god. Go. Great job, mate. Too early. Too late. Too early. Yeah. Alright, level 5. Oh, never mind. Okay, the real trophy. Yes, the real trophy. Yes. Only trust the shiny ones. Okay, Yes. Yeah, there's fire. Fire. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yes! Woo! Oh god. No! Go! Ha! You ain't reaching me. Yes! Yay. Oh, the change of music though. Oh god. Why do you even die when you reach the soft side? Smooth side. It's not even spiky on that other side. Oh god. Whoa. Yeah. Yes. Oh. Yeah. What you got? You ain't got nothing. No. Shiny. Oh wait, never mind. Yeah. Nice and easy. No. Oh, come on. Trophy. Yes. And dude, level 19. Oh god. Level 19 is hard. Oh, what the hell? Yes. Trophy. What the hell is so glitchy? There. Okay, you have to jump. Here. Oh god. Yes! Oh no! Damn it. Stupid flames. I'm losing my lives. Oh my god. Yeah. No! Yes! Level 21. Oh god. No. No. Oh! Yes! No! Oh god. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes! Them points though. Yeah. Ah! Oh, come on. You suck. You suck, Flames. I'm gonna die. My lives. Let's do this. Yeah. No. Stupid Bowser. Oh, damn it. I'm gonna die. Okay, last life. Okay, I'm dead. Ah! It's so hard.
Oh, you're acting that